Guys, stop looking at my messages. I want to try one. Chia seed pudding. Hey, pudding. Sorry. Also, Gunner, I was going to make you something for your birthday, but then I realized I don't have any of the stuff here. True story. Okay. Okay. Let's try this. Maybe try it in this one. Giga Chef. Oh, sorry. I'm good, Chef. Thanks for asking. It goes good down south. Thank you so much. What do you mean, see how she is? Sorry. No Scottish cookie. I'm sorry. I honestly, Gunnar, what's your favorite one of those? That shortbread bar with the caramel and chocolate ganache on top looked so good. That's the one I wanted to make. But I didn't have condensed milk. Sorry, I have a thing with even numbers. At least I do right now. Whatever. It is what it is. What's your favorite one of that list down south that Unicorn put up? If you did look at the list. 27 grams? Is this 2 pieces? Alright. 27 grams chia. Chia. Sorry. I want to try it with cocoa nibs.